Hey guys, my name is Scoby and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to activate a game code on Origin. This is going to be a nice, quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do everything. Let's jump right into this. So the first thing you need to do is, of course, open up the Origin application. Once this is open, what we're going to be doing is we're going to come into the menu bar here on the left. And we're going to be selecting the My Game Library option here. And here, once this opens up, we'll be able to see a list of all of our currently added games here in the center. What we're going to be doing from this point is coming to the top right of the screen. And here at the top right, we're going to see this added game option right here. We're going to be clicking this open, and once this opens up, we'll have two different extra options appear. The first will be a redeem product code, and the second will be add a non-Origin game. For today's video, we're actually going to be clicking the first one to redeem a product code. Once we do, we'll get this second pop-up here where we can enter your product code. From this point, all you need to do is copy your product code from somewhere, and you're going to have to enter it in here. I'm just going to be dropping mine in here right now. Once your code is entered, what we're going to be doing is clicking the next button here at the bottom. We're then going to see the confirm code activation screen. Here, we're going to be able to see the game we're redeeming. We'll see your account information, and we'll even see your email. You just want to confirm everything is right here. Then you simply want to click the confirm button. You'll then get this final pop-up to say your game has been received. And then once you get back to your library, you'll see my game is right here, Battlefield 1. You'll see this new label on the top right of any game that you've just activated. And just like that, you've activated a new game in Origin. Anyway guys, it's as easy as that to redeem a game code on Origin. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. Be sure to drop a super thanks in this video if you want to support me, it would really help me out. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.